All right, welcome back. Today is a historic day for us here at Mike Wheeler Media. It's been 5 years ago today that we started teaching online as far as our first course being released. And a lot has happened in the past 5 years. And to mark this occasion, I'm trying to do something historic. And a few things that we're doing this week are we're doing a daily celebration and doing a lot of giveaways. And so I wanted to show you on my website, and this is a newly revamped website. We've got a schedule of events for the 5 days, 5 events, 5 giveaways, and clicking on that will take you to this landing page here. And I mentioned as well at the top that we've just dropped an NFT to note the 5-year anniversary of Mike Wheeler Media. We are dropping an NFT which is listed on OpenSea. We've got a couple of NFTs actually. And this is the first one. This is an assembly line of canvas print of Mike Wheeler Media logo done by my son, Aaron Wheeler. And that's closing in a couple of days. Minimum bid is just zero point zero 0.01 ETH or ETH or Ethereum. We also have a collection. We've got the Mike Wheeler Media 5-year anniversary collection. And we have another NFT that we're going to be dropping later today. And this is our 5-year anniversary celebration. All right, so you may not be familiar with NFTs. I want to show you a few things I've run across and why this is important. First of all, I believe that this is the first NFTs to be dropped in the Salesforce ecosystem, specifically by anyone in the what is known as the Salesforce Ohana or Salesforce family. And this is not directly tied to Salesforce. I'm a separate entity. I do teach Salesforce online in addition to other cloud technologies. And another thing of note is that Salesforce founder Mark Benioff a couple of years ago purchased Time Magazine. And so Time Magazine is getting into NFTs and dropping NFTs as well. Some of their historic covers from their magazines are currently at auction, and this is on superrare.co. And you see some of the different bids and prices here. Some of these are all the way up to large amounts, as you can see. So the idea here is that with NFTs, whether it's Time magazines or if Salesforce eventually does their own NFTs, which I anticipate they will, the idea is that this is a speculative endeavor or investment. It gives you the ownership, the digital ownership to a digital asset. Now, there's a lot of confusion around NFTs, and frankly, there's a lot that still needs to be figured out in this space. But it does appear that NFTs are here to stay, and it's definitely going to be the next big thing as far as the logical next step as far as digital ownership and cryptocurrency. And so we've been looking at NFTs for a couple of months now. Started hearing about this a few months ago, hearing Gary Vaynerchuk talk about NFTs, and that's what really brought it to my own personal radar. And since that time, really considering whether or not this is something that we should do. And with the upcoming 5-year anniversary, decided to go for it. And so, of course, I don't have the artistic ability to do such a thing as create NFTs or looping animations or artwork like this. Fortunately, I am able to collaborate with my son Aaron Wheeler to create these things. And so I wanted to also make you aware of our different events that we have for our 5-year anniversary celebration. And we've already finished the first day, but we have 4 more days remaining at the time of this recording. I'll put a link down below for this registration so you can register for these additional meeting times and giveaways. Each day we're doing a different presentation or information related to different things that we've been creating here at Mike Wheeler Media. So today, in a few hours, I go live talking about Mike Wheeler Media Plus. This is my own training platform. It was just 5 years ago today that we dropped our first course. And from there, we've grown to teaching over 100,000 students on cloud technologies. And so I'm going to be giving away 5 3-month subscriptions to Mike Wheeler Media Plus. On Wednesday, I'm going to be doing 5 Clubhouse invites giveaways. Going to be doing a lot more on Clubhouse in this year. And then on Thursday, we're going to be discussing our YouTube channel and your relevant podcast. And then going to be giving away 5 practice test courses. And then finally Friday, a new course coming out called the Career Launch Accelerator. And I'll be giving away 5 half-hour coaching calls with myself. So hit the link down below for registering for the remaining events, and check out as well the link for our NFTs, and consider making history along with me. And this will be Salesforce and cloud history as we celebrate 5 years teaching online by doing something historic and being the first NFTs to drop in the Salesforce space. And so this 5-year celebration series of events is my way of saying thank you for the past 5 years and looking ahead to the next 5 and more.